Ganon, wala na kayo. So, anything that makes the Filipino comfortable, just do it. Anything that makes the Filipino uncomfortable, do not do it. Huwag ka magtanim ng bala kasi, look, kayong nasa Naya, pag may tanim pa dyan, lahat kayo alis. I do not care even if your chief of office or your CO there knows or has nothing to do with it. Istasyon ganon rin. Kung ang chief of police, hindi niya kontrolado ang police niya at may police dyan naglalaro, out sila lahat. And I will accommodate you sa Mindanao. Doon sa Zamboanga. Magandang ano doon. Zamboanga, maraming beach. Sa harap ng Zamboanga is an island called, anong pangalan ng island dyan? Kasi maraming kinikidnap dyan. Dyan na kayo magligo-ligo muna.